guys can see behind me, we just did a huge burnout, so disregard the big clouds in the background. Welcome Hennessey Performance fans to another great video. Guess what? We got a 2020 Supra, but also we've got a beautiful Velociraptor V8, 750 horsepower, ready to go to the customer, and we're about to do the final testing on it. But we figured while it's out here, why not race it against the Supra? And with me, I've got Jerry to do some of the driving. He's gonna be driving the Supra. Huge difference between the two vehicles behind me. Of course, we've got the Supra. It's 3,500 pounds. It's a straight 6-cylinder single turbo 2-door sports car. We purchased that thing for a multitude of reasons, but one of the reasons is Tuner School is going to have an opportunity to have an involvement with the 2020 Supra. So if you are thinking about Tuner School, definitely go to tunerschool.com, fill out an inquiry, and we'll see you in the next class. The Velociraptor V8 is obviously a big lifted full-size pickup truck, 2,000 pounds over the Toyota. So there's a big disparity in weight, but also a big disparity in horsepower, and aerodynamics come into play as well. I don't know, what do you think's gonna happen?
I don't think I have enough cylinders.
I don't know.
Fast and Furious, baby.
Neck and neck right at the finish line. That's pretty impressive given the fact that this thing weighs 2,000 more pounds, it's 35-inch tires, and it's obviously a full-size 4-door pickup.
Overall, it's a cool little car. A lot to be had. There's already people out there that are making power with these things. We just got ours. I think we'll do a lot of R&D and kind of develop our own ways with it. Don't buy one thinking that you're going to have the fastest car on the road, because you will not. Like that guy has a Raptor with a V8 in it, definitely faster than this, much heavier, but he could tow a boat, he could tow hay, he could put dirt bikes in the back, quad. I can't do any of that. I mean, I can put one other person in here and maybe like a case of water. She had that boat right now.
It's very impressive to see this enormous beast, Velociraptor V8, go up against a 2-door sports car. So if you want a Velociraptor, make sure to check out the Velociraptor V8, of course. It's a great option. It comes with a full warranty from Hennessey Performance, and 750 horsepower is pretty hard to beat. So subscribe to our channel. Make sure to keep up with what we're doing. We're excited to see where the Supra goes as far as modifications and horsepower. Let us know what your thoughts are. We'll see you next time.
Like I said, if he was towing a boat all day, we'd have that race. It's a little iffy. No boat. Need the boat. Doesn't have to be a big boat. It could be a small boat, not a rowboat. It has to have an engine, 1 or 2, twin 502s, V8, something like that. That kind of boat. Speed boat, cigarette boat, long boat. Not a yacht. All right, here we go.